Hi everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is my favorite festival. In India, there are different religions. Each religion have their own tradition, culture, and their own festival, and everyone celebrate their festival by the different ways. Because of different religions present in India, there are different types of the festival are celebrated throughout the year. In Hindu culture particularly, there are various festivals celebrated throughout the year. Among that, my favorite festival is a Ganesh Chaturthi. The Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on a birthday of a Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is a son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. On the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, the devotees of the Lord Ganesha brings the statue or clay idol of a Lord Ganesha to the home and place it into the home. The placing of statue of Lord Ganesha in home means the arrival of the happiness, peace and prosperity to the home. Lord Ganesha is considered as a god of removing obstacles. Lord Ganesha removes all the obstacles and difficulties from our life and make our life happy and prosperous. There is a very important is given to the Ganesh festival in Hindu culture. Ganpati is considered as a goddess of a god. In Marathi there is a phrase Adi Namana Tuja Ganaraya. It means that before starting any work and before doing any good work and before starting any activity, the people pray to the Lord Ganesha and pray to the god that remove all the obstacles from the way. So there is a lot of importance is given to the Ganesh festival in Hindu culture. This festival is celebrated for 11 days. During this festival, the various programs are run out. The people are very excited about this festival, and there is a huge enthusiasm during these 11 days, particularly in children's, because children's are wait for this festival for a whole year, because this is an annual festival and it comes only one in a year. Therefore everybody wait for this festival a whole year. During these 11 days, the people pray to the Lord Ganesha. The arti is played on every morning and evening during these 11 days, and there is a particular durva is brings from the farm or from the garden for the Lord Ganesha, and various flowers are also put on the clay of a Lord Ganesha. So during these 11 days, the particular one special sweet called modak is made by the peoples for the Lord Ganesha, and it is also distributed to the all the devotees. So this festival is celebrated with a high energy and high enthusiasm for the 11 days, and after the 11 days the peoples carry the clay and statue of the Lord Ganesha to the nearest water source like the sea, ocean or river, and immerse the statue of the Lord Ganesha into the river. So this festival is celebrated particularly in Maharashtra state of India. After that, this is also celebrated in some other states like the Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So it is a great and the biggest festival of the Hindu culture, which is celebrated with a high enthusiasm. So at the start, the Ganesh festival was started in 1883 by the Lokmanya Tilak, and this festival is started for uniting the peoples against the British rulers. So there is a lot of importance for the Ganesh festival in Hindu culture. In this way, the Ganesh festival is celebrated in India. Thank you.